Hey guys, welcome to another short video. Today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging, I suppose, this resin that came to us from Senertek. This is their direct-to-cast V3 version. I've never actually dealt with it. I don't know too much about it, but we're going to dive into that right now. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So first thing I guess is I can't say too much for the packaging. I mean, I myself, I don't like to do packaging. I don't like producing waste, especially if it's just like gonna just go to someone and get tossed. But on the flip side, if it doesn't arrive in good order, which it seems to have, which is good. Yeah, that's good. So anyway, so this has arrived in good order, but boxless, and that kind of worries me. I've had shipments of resin show up from FedEx. Maybe FedEx is just a little bit more rough than DHL, hard to say. Anyway, the resin exploded and it was in boxes surrounded by, bubble wrap and all that sort of stuff. But anyway, it arrived safely, and that is the good news here. So very nondescript bottle, very similar to the Blue Cast bottles, and there's a couple others that use the same one. Doesn't matter, bottle's fine. Very nondescript sticker. A little bit of instructions on the back. Shake well, do not store resin in vat between prints. That's okay, we'll get into this. This is a 500 milliliter bottle. I don't suspect this will last too long through our testing, but we'll give it a shot and hopefully everything turns out well. I've heard a lot of really good things about this resin. It's very high definition in terms of what you can actually get out of the print. He makes a DLP and an MSLA version, which is what we have here. And it's supposed to be very easy to cast, which is obviously one of the best parts about a direct-to-cast product. If it doesn't cast, what's the point in having a good print? Let's talk a little bit about what this resin is offering according to the website. So according to the website, which is, by the way, a very small website, there's not a whole lot of information. It's very clearly geared more towards dental use. They've got a whole variety of resins aside from cast. There's one called, there's cast, model, SG, denture, temp, IBT, splint, and tray. So they're all very clearly designed for very specific purposes. So if you need, say, a high temp one for making a mold, maybe you can look into that. The other information regarding the specific castability of this, it doesn't have much of anything. It states very simply that it has very low shrinkage, very high printing fidelity. It's compatible with casting chrome, cobalt, palladium, platinum, titanium, silver, and gold. So it's a very easy resin, I suppose. We will put that to the test for sure and see how well it handles with silver. And we're going to try bronze, and hopefully it works, even though that's not on the list. So just some other additional little information about this stuff. It comes from Turkey, and you can find it on the senertek.com/3D. I'm not sure if they have like a cart. You can't just like check out and purchase. You have to message them. But the prices are as follows. They offer them in 3 sizes, so 250 mil, 500 mil, and 1000 mil. At $45, $90, and $170 USD. So at 175 bucks a liter, that's really, really good price. We've tried some that are much more expensive. We've tried some that are much less expensive. So this is gonna fit right in the middle price-wise. I really hope that this stuff turns out as well for us as the other clients have tried. There are a few tidbits of information that we've got from Mr. Center himself. So for casting, the best results come from the boric acid type of trick, where you add about 1 to 2% of boric acid to your investment powder. Basically what this does is it helps harden the investment just a little bit, and it helps resist the thermal expansion, basically. So we'll definitely be trying that with and without, just to see what happens. It's been claimed by many of his clients as well that you get really, really good castings on very thin things. Very thin models and very thick models as well, which is really good. Some of the different resins that we've tried, sometimes they excel towards thin, sometimes they excel towards thick, but very rarely do they combine the two and do extremely well. So we will definitely be putting this resin through its paces, and we will hopefully get a really good result. So that's about it. there's not a whole lot to say. I guess I'll have to test it out and see how well it works. So if you're not already, please subscribe, like the video, whatever, so you can stay tuned and get notifications for the review. I will be putting this through its paces on our SL1 printer, and I will of course get back to you and let you know how it goes. So I will see you guys in the next video.